Well, we can all agree 2020 has been super tough. We've had to cope with a lot. We've often talked about how it's affected those who already struggle with their mental health.
Yeah, psychologists say they continue to see new patients, people who've never sought help for mental health before. Here's Kim Powell.
There's lots of stressors, let's be honest. It's unprecedented times, and even just the pandemic in general is this huge stressor. It's the one time in my career that I'm going through the same thing my patients are going through.
Katie Morton is a licensed marriage and family therapist. She says this year she's seeing more patients than normal experiencing symptoms of burnout or depression, or both.
A lot of the symptoms of depression and burnout actually overlap. However, the biggest difference is that when it comes to burnout, it's more stress related, meaning we know what the trigger is.
Morton says if you're feeling overly tired, irritable, or you can't concentrate, reach out to a mental health expert to help you know exactly how to tackle it.
The sooner we reach out and the sooner we speak up, the sooner we'll start feeling as much as back to normal as we can.
But with the pandemic, many therapists are relying on telepsychology, which not everyone is comfortable with.
It is an intrusion into a person's life, and a lot of the sort of ancillary things, right? The kids, the dogs, the sounds of the neighborhood bleeds into what is supposed to be a private issue.
Dr. John Delatorre with the Arizona Psychology Association says there was a spike in appointments early on in the pandemic, and then it slowed down. But he thinks that's going to pick back up in the next few months.
I think there has been an idea that because you're not capable of juggling all of these things, something has to give. And I think people have been giving on their own emotional issues.
Both mental health professionals are worried about the long-term effects of 2020, and they urge people not to put their health on hold any longer.
If you're feeling stressed out, reach out.
Kim Powell for Arizona's Family.